So too fast in the corner, biker dressed for the slide and survived the ride. Okay, okay. We're passing again right before a corner. We're not prepped and ready. So the guy behind passed at the right time. And there's the high risk, high skill. We did that for why? Why did we do that? Biker slid for over 120 feet. Ooh, you could easily slice yourself up. I like his buddy that came by. That was really good on him. Rescue another rider. All right, so right here, what we're doing is we're riding in a group. We're going to be passing these vehicles. Okay, not the biggest of deals. The thing is, I wouldn't be passing right here because I need to set up for the next turn. So I like what this rider that crashed did right here. He waited. You wait. Now, you still don't want to do it. It's a double yellow. You couldn't see very well, but you know, you do you. My biggest thing is this. Why are we doing a wheelie? Okay, it's not my thing. It's your thing. Great. Are you okay with the risks involved? This is one of them. Massive injuries, and then also your bike is destroyed. So this right here, that metal rod, that's not going to move for your body. You're going to wrap yourself around it or split yourself in half. Are you okay with that? So he slid for 120 feet. We talk about, you know, the abrasiveness of asphalt. It's what gives you the good traction on your tires. It's meant for tires. It's not meant for your body. So when you slide, you're going to rip flesh off. If you have full leathers, it's hoping to absorb a lot of that heat and that abrasion so that it doesn't transfer to your body, which is why he's going to recommend that you have a tracksuit. I recommend don't crash in the first place. Now, this is what I like about this rider that's showing up right here, is that he's going to ask very pertinent questions. And I don't know if he has the training to utilize that information for a proper assessment, but he's not freaking out. He's not, you know, moving them. He's not doing some stupid stuff. So he's doing what he wants to do in terms of, I need to protect my buddy. My buddy's hurt. I care for my buddy. I don't care about his bike. I'm here. I'm going to ask some questions, and I'm going to call 911 if I have to.
Yeah. Feel like anything's broken, nothing at all?
Feel like anything's broken, nothing at all. He's not picking them up. He's not doing that stuff. The easiest thing for a normal person to understand is if something is broken. So like you start doing your own check, you're like, oh, my arm's broken. Okay, so that's easy to say. You're not going to be like, hey, man, I got tension pneumothorax. I can't really speak too much right now. That's not what's going to happen. If he says, my chest hurts, that's when you go through your assessment, through your skills, and be like, ooh, possibly puncture a lung or, you know, hemothorax. We get some blood filling up in the cavity. Ooh, you know, so let's be a little concerned. But that's a good start. Great start. My advice, hey, they're asking for it. My advice is don't do wheelies out on the road. Don't let your ego take a hold of you, especially if you're in a group ride. Don't pass on a double yellow, especially around a blind corner. You don't know what could be there. And the main thing here is really just don't wheelie unless you have the appropriate skill. And if everyone's going to be like, well, he did have the appropriate skill. Well, if he did, he wouldn't have done that. Simple as that. When I do slow speed stuff and I have to put my foot down because I felt like I lost balance, that means I didn't have the appropriate skill. If you're doing this and you do wheelie and all of a sudden you crash, it's not that he had the skill. It means he didn't have the skill or he wouldn't have crashed.